Zdravo in dobrodošli v epizodi 14. Jaz sem Polona in poslušate moj podcast Se vidimo. V prejšnji epizodi smo se naučili barv in kako delujeta samostalnik in pridevnik. Danes pa nas čaka nekaj drugega. Today, something else awaits. Fun fact. Did you know that after New Year, the most gym memberships are sold and people start taking better care of their appearance? Well, today we'll dive into opis osebe, description of a person, vides in karakter, appearance and character, in se naučili oblačila, and learn the names of clothes in Slovene. Pa začnimo z videzom. Let's begin with appearance. To ask what someone looks like or we would like to know about their character, we ask kakšen je for masculine or kakšna je for feminine. And then we add adjectives. Poglejmo nekaj pridevnikov, s katerimi opišemo osebo. Mlad, mlada, young. Star, stara, old. Suh, suha, slim. Debel, debela, fat. Velik, velika, big. Majhen, majhna, small. Lep, lepa, beautiful. Grd, grda, ugly. Poslušajmo primer. Maja je majhna, lepa in suha. If you want to say that someone is not small, beautiful and slim. Maja ni majhna, lepa in suha. Or mix it. Maja je lepa in ni suha. What about character? Kaj pa karakter? Prijazen, prijazna, kind. Vesel, vesela, happy. Miren, mirna, calm. Simpatičen, simpatična, likable. Tih, tiha, quiet. Glasen, glasna, loud. Priden, pridna, diligent or hardworking. Žalosten, žalostna, sad. Zabaven, zabavna, fun. Dolgočasen, dolgočasna, boring. Len, lena, lazy. Aktiven, aktivna, active. Primer, example. Maja je majhna, lepa in suha. Je zelo simpatična, pridna in zabavna ter ni dolgočasna. Kaj pa lasje in oči? What about hair and eyes? Tukaj moramo uporabiti glagol imeti. Here we have to use the verb to have, imam. And the question is, kakšne lase ima? What kind of hair does she or he have? Lasje, hair, can be long or short, dolgi ali kratki, and in different colors. Rjavi, črni, rdeči, sivi, beli, blond. Lasje are always plural, so everything has to be in plural. Accusative case, if you remember. Primer. Ona ima dolge rjave lase. Eyes work the same way, tudi v množini. Kakšne oči ima? What kind of eyes does she or he have? They can be velike or majhne and different colors. Zelene, modre, rjave, črne, sive. Primer. Ona ima velike modre oči. Poslušajmo opis osebe. Let's listen to a description of a person. To je Maja. Je iz Maribora. Stara je 35 let. Govori angleško, slovensko in malo špansko. Je mlada, lepa in suha. Je tudi zabavna in pridna ter ni dolgočasna. Ima dolge blond lase in velike zelene oči. Now let's move on to clothing. When we talk about what someone wears, we use the verb nositi, to wear. It's a regular verb. Nosim, nosiš, nosi, and so on. And if you would like to describe what the person is wearing, you can ask, kaj nosi? What is she or he wearing? And pieces of clothing? Let's hear them from top to bottom. Kapa, a cap. Sončna očala, sunglasses. This one is special. Očala are always in plural, neuter gender. Majica, t-shirt. Srajca, a shirt. Bluza, a blouse. Pullover, a sweater. Obleka, a dress. Krilo, a skirt. Jopica, a cardigan. Plašč, a coat. Jakna, a jacket. Bunda, a winter jacket. Šal, a scarf. Kravata, a tie. Rokavice, gloves. Hlače, pants. Always in plural, feminine gender. Kratke hlače, shorts. Kavbojke, jeans. Same gender and in plural form as hlače. Pas, a belt. Nogavice, socks. Čevlji, shoes. As mentioned, some nouns only exist in plural, such as sončna očala, hlače, kratke hlače, kavbojke. You can check their gender on fran.si. Another rule. For body parts that come in pairs, we use plural. The same applies to clothing items like rokavice, nogavice, and čevlji. Let's listen to an example. What is he wearing? Kaj nosi? On nosi belo kapo, črno srajco, siv plašč, kavbojke, pas in rjave čevlje. To je vse za današnjo epizodo. Danes smo se naučili, kako opisati osebo, njen videz, karakter ter oblačila. I hope this episode helped you better understand how to describe people in Slovene. Hvala, ker ste poslušali in se vidimo!